Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can customize the touch control of your TOZO OpenEgo headphones. So if you want to change a few things regarding the touch system, then what you need to do is of course download the TOZO app, which can be downloaded through the Play Store or the Apple Store. And once you create an account and connect your your headphones to your device, then what you need to do is go to the settings. And now in the settings over here, we have touch control. And now over here, we can choose between left and right earbud. And of course, we can choose what the single click should do, what should do the double click, triple click, and long press. So as you can see, we can customize that. Let's say I don't want to triple click in order to activate the voice assistant. So I can tap over here, and then I can choose what I want to do if I click my left earbud 3 times. And of course, if you do that, if you make the change, then you need to press confirm, and then it should be updated. Now over here you can also see the default options, let's say, which cannot be really changed. And if you want to go back to the default settings, then we have of course the restore to default button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.